Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to clear autofill in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open and ready, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice three vertical dots there, which is Chrome's menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, locate and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's settings page where you can customize and manage all aspects of your browser. Once you're in the settings page, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation panel with different categories. Click on Autofill and Passwords. This section controls everything related to how Chrome saves and manages your login credentials, payment methods, and other form data. It's the central hub for all autofill related features. Now you'll need to scroll down through the autofill and password section until you find autofill settings. Take a moment to scroll carefully as there are several options in this area. Once you locate autofill settings, click on it to access the specific configuration options for Chrome's autofill feature. Inside the autofill settings, you'll see an option labeled Enhanced Autofill. Right beside this label, there's a toggle button. Click on this toggle button to turn off the Enhanced Autofill feature. Disabling this option prevents Chrome from automatically filling in forms with your saved information, which can be useful if you're concerned about privacy or if you share your computer with others. Now, if you want to clear specific saved passwords or accounts, rather than just disabling autofill, here's what you need to do. At the top of the autofill settings page, click on Password Manager. This opens up a comprehensive list of all the accounts and passwords Chrome has saved for you over time. It's a centralized location where you can view and manage every login credential stored in your browser. From the Password Manager, click on the specific account you want to clear or delete. This will open up the details for that particular saved password. Once the account details appear on your screen, you'll see a Delete button. Go ahead and click Delete to permanently remove that saved password from Chrome's memory. And that's it. You've successfully cleared autofill and removed specific saved passwords from Google Chrome, giving you better control over your browsing privacy and stored information. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.